Have you ever wondered how to research a competitor's website traffic? How to track websites of publicly traded companies? Or just want to see where some online businesses get their customers? Hi, my name is Tron and this is Urban Edge. On this page, we provide tips, tricks, and tools to enhance your entrepreneurial endeavors. Today, we will be reviewing SimilarWeb, a web-based analytical tool that provides website traffic data. Now, without any further ado, let's jump in.
So first things first, you'll go to SimilarWebsite.com. Once you're here, this will be your main page. We'll go through 3 examples. So first example, let's just say you have a clothing line and you think people that shop particularly at H&M would be the most likely candidates for your potential brand. You'll be able to see a good amount of information from here. So we'll just kind of look through H&M. So it's reducing its global rankings. See its bounce rate. So it's relatively low, the amount of pages people visit, the average time duration. Scrolling down, we'll also get some good additional information. So as we could see from here, their traffic has reduced throughout the past 3 months. This could be a bad sign. Scrolling through primarily in the United States, continue to scroll our way along. Potential competitors. These are some particular brands that might be ideal matches. But really most interesting is its marketing channels. So from here, we can see that the bulk of H&M visitors are coming from search. And then the second is from direct. And also it breaks down pretty in depth into the social media channels. So from here, we can see that as far as social media, although it's relatively small, the bulk of the traffic is coming from Facebook. Let's jump to another example, a company called PropertyStream.com. PropertyStream is real estate related data. So as we can see, this particular company has been growing. Fairly low bounce rate, good average duration. Let's take a look at it's 3 months. So we can see it's grown and kind of remained relatively steady. So this could provide some good insights, primarily the United States as well, and real estate, similar websites. This might also help you find additional websites if you're looking for real estate related deals, CRMs, lead generation sources. So this is just another great way to just find just additional competitors. And as far as their marketing channels, primarily direct, secondary search, they actually do a pretty good amount of Let's take a look at their social media. On the social media side, their traffic is coming from YouTube. So this will kind of let you know, like, hey, if you're trying to get into the real estate data side of things, then YouTube is really going to be your bread and butter for driving traffic. And secondary would be Facebook. Third, we'll just kind of take a look at Spotify. So finding our way back up here. Oh, sorry, Shopify. So if we take a look at Shopify, they've kind of gone down in their rankings as well. Fairly high bounce rate, low average kind of time duration, scrolling more through. Fairly consistent, but on a steady decline in terms of the amount of people using them within 3 months, primarily the US. Some potential competitors. Again, this could be great places to find cheaper alternatives. Just looking at some of these companies' competitors in the process. So this could be relatively helpful. Marketing channel. It's a pretty good divide up between referrals, search, and direct. Let's just take a little bit of a deeper dive. This is the keywords that they use for search. Referral partners are within here. You have to upgrade to see some of the other stuff, but we're just going to use the free versions. Scrolling through, and on the social media side, it's primarily using YouTube and Facebook. So this is just kind of a short synopsis of SimilarWebsite, but you could really use this to track publicly traded companies. Let's just say they're online web-based to see how their traffic is working, as well as if down to a clothing line, if you have a particular larger brand that you think you would be a pretty good fit for, and get the data that you need to be able to drive your business forward. Now, I hope you found this informative, and thanks for your time.